Welcome back to Deep Dive. Today we're diving into the world of one of the ocean's most beloved creatures, the dolphin. Known for their intelligence, playful personalities and complex social lives, dolphins are more than just fascinating animals. They're among the smartest beings in the animal kingdom. So what makes dolphins so remarkable? Let's take a look at the science and secrets behind these incredible marine mammals. Dolphins, the ocean's intellectuals. Let's start with the question that has intrigued scientists and animal lovers for centuries. Just how smart are dolphins? Dolphins are often celebrated for their high intelligence, comparable in many ways to that of primates. They have large brains relative to their body size, and their brains are packed with specialized cells called spindle neurons, which are involved in complex problem solving and emotions. These cells are also found in humans, great apes and elephants, which hints at the high level of intelligence dolphins possess. In fact, dolphins are capable of self-awareness, a trait they share with only a few other species, including humans. Experiments using mirrors have shown that dolphins can recognize themselves, a sign of sophisticated cognitive abilities. This level of intelligence is just the beginning of what makes dolphins so special. Complex communication and social behavior. Dolphins are also known for their complex communication skills. They produce a variety of sounds, clicks, whistles, and even body movements like jumping and slapping the water to communicate with each other. But it's more than just noise. Each dolphin has a unique signature whistle that acts almost like a name. When dolphins call each other, they mimic each other's unique whistles, which shows they recognize and address one another individually. Dolphins live in groups called pods, and within these pods they display incredible cooperation and loyalty. They'll help sick or injured members by bringing them to the surface for air, and they work together to hunt for fish, using complex techniques like bubble net feeding, where they create rings of bubbles to trap fish. Their social behaviors are so advanced that scientists consider them a strong indicator of dolphin intelligence. Dolphins form tight-knit bonds, work together, and even display emotions, much like humans. Playfulness and creativity. The joy of being a dolphin. Dolphins are famously playful animals. In the wild, you'll see them leaping out of the water, surfing on waves and playing with objects like seaweed or even small fish. This playfulness isn't just for fun, it's actually linked to their intelligence. Dolphins have been observed using creative problem solving when faced with challenges. In some instances, they've used shells to trap fish or even engaged in games of catch with each other. They're also known to approach boats and ride in the wakes, which is their way of surfing. This creativity and curiosity are part of what makes dolphins so charming. Scientists believe that dolphins may play not only to learn, but to keep their minds engaged, another sign of their impressive intellect. Dolphins and humans. A special connection. Dolphins have fascinated humans for centuries, and they seem to have a special connection with us. Ancient Greek and Roman texts describe stories of dolphins helping humans, and even today there are countless tales of dolphins guiding lost swimmers back to shore or protecting them from sharks. While we may never fully understand why, it's clear that dolphins are one of the few animals that seem to show genuine interest in human beings. Some scientists believe this connection may come from dolphins' intelligence and curiosity, as they recognize us as creatures with similar social and cognitive traits. Whatever the reason, it's clear that the bond between dolphins and humans is unique. Dolphins' incredible echolocation abilities. One of the most extraordinary things about dolphins is their echolocation ability. Dolphins navigate and hunt using echolocation, which is essentially a biological sonar system. By producing high-frequency clicks, dolphins can detect objects in the water like fish and even see them with sound. The clicks bounce off objects and return to the dolphin, allowing it to build a mental picture of its surroundings. Echolocation is so precise that dolphins can identify the shape, size, and even the texture of objects underwater. This is an essential skill for hunting and navigating in dark or murky water, where visibility is limited. Echolocation is a skill shared by only a few other animals like bats, and it highlights just how sophisticated dolphin adaptations are. The bond between dolphin mothers and calves is truly remarkable. Dolphin mothers are known for their deep bond with their calves. After a calf is born, it stays close to its mother for several years, learning important survival skills and social behaviors. Dolphin mothers are highly protective and will go to great lengths to ensure the safety of their young. The bond is so strong that even after the calf grows up, it may still maintain contact with its mother and other family members. This extended parental care is rare in the animal kingdom and is another example of dolphins' complex social behavior. Now, let's address a question that some people might wonder. Can dolphins be kept as pets? While they're incredibly intelligent and social, dolphins are not suitable for life in captivity. Dolphins in the wild can travel up to 100 miles a day and live in large social groups, something that's nearly impossible to replicate in captivity. Captive dolphins often suffer from stress and health issues due to limited space and lack of social interaction. Organizations like the Dolphin Project work to raise awareness about the issues dolphins face in captivity and advocate for their release into sanctuaries. While dolphins are amazing creatures, they thrive best in the wild, where they have the freedom to roam and interact with their pods. Before we wrap up, here are some fun facts that make dolphins even more amazing. First, they have excellent memories. Dolphins can remember the unique whistles of other dolphins they met years ago, showing impressive memory abilities. Second, they sleep with one eye open. Dolphins are unihemispheric sleepers, which means only half of their brain sleeps at a time. This allows them to rest while still coming up for air. Third, they have a sense of self. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, a trait shared with only a few animals, including humans and great apes. Lastly, they're natural divers. Some dolphin species can dive up to 1,000 feet below the surface, holding their breath for up to 10 minutes. These unique traits only add to the dolphin's reputation as one of the most intelligent and adaptable animals on Earth. Dolphins are truly remarkable creatures, smart, playful, social, and full of personality. From their incredible problem-solving skills to their strong social bonds, dolphins remind us of the wonders of nature and the complexity of life in the ocean. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of dolphins. If you enjoyed learning about these amazing animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite dolphin facts in the comments. Until next time, let's keep exploring and appreciating the incredible diversity of life in our oceans.